What's her password again? My heartbeat, no. My heartbeat was so neat. Okay. You open. Yes, hello. Hello. Brother, why are you like this now? And why are you like this? No, you are not taking care of my sister at all. She called you this morning. That call. Yes, she fell sick after the call.
Jesus!
Yes.
Jesus!
She's lying down there, and I'm even suspecting that you have gotten my sister pregnant. She's not feeling well. She has been sleeping for 18 hours now.
Jesus! Jesus!
Even if it's not correct 18 hours, she has been sleeping for many hours. And we want to take her to the hospital. No, okay, it's not we. Me. I can take her myself. I don't need you to come. You are not taking care of my sister. If you will send money, you are the one taking care of her. If you will send money. 50,000 we do. You will send it now. Okay, that means you will send the first 50,000 and another 50,000. No, I did not say 50,000. I mean 50,000 and additional 50,000. That's 100,000. You send it. No. Yeah, I know you have her account. Don't send it to her account. She's not feeling well now. How can she go and withdraw? And you know she will not tell me her password. Send it to my own account. Yes, yeah. Very, very simple. Before this call ends, you will receive the account number. No, don't call this a number. You know, I will be calling me. Be calling me. I will be updating you. Don't worry. Don't be calling me. No, thank you for taking care of my sister. And when she is well, you know she doesn't like people. She doesn't like people laughing at her that you help her. Don't tell her that you help her. Just do it normal out of love. Don't tell her. No, don't feel anything. No, it's me. You know my kind of person. End the call. End it. If I don't.
Isaac, what were you doing with my phone? Now drop the phone, sit down and explain what you were doing with my phone. Now explain.
When I came in, you were sleeping. And I was suspecting that you are... As in...
As in, that I'm pregnant.
I didn't say it.
Okay.
You just said it yourself.
Continue.
And you were lying down and sleeping, and your phone was ringing. 2 missed call, 3 missed call, it was your boyfriend. So I picked the call.
You picked my call.
Our call. Because he's your boyfriend and you are my sister.
As what?
As your brother. Family brother.
Okay.
And when I picked the call, it was very nice to me. You know, he said he liked me the other day. He started telling me that I'm a good boy, I'm very loyal and strong, a very hardworking boy. That if I continue like this, I will soon make it in life. And he wanted to help me. He said he would help me with something. I said, you can help me. Anybody can help me. Even if my sister will not help me, anybody can help me. And he agreed. He's helping me. He said he would do me something.
Isaac, the way I'm looking at you, it's written all over you that you are lying. You're a liar. You, Isaac. You're a liar.
I am lying.
You're a liar.
No, label me liar now.
Hello, babe. Eh? You sent which money? Okay, don't worry. Hold on, I'll call you back, okay? Hold on. Isaac, which money did he send to you?
Your boyfriend sent me money.
You are trying to make me look stupid here. Isaac, for the last time, why did you request money from my boyfriend, I asked?
So I requested money from you. Okay. Yeah, if you must know, you will know. What is all this? Why am I hiding this? See, let me tell you. While you were sleeping, I picked your phone and called your boyfriend. And he said, how are you? And I said, you are not feeling fine because you were lying down. You too, you were lying down as if you were pregnant. So I told him that you are not feeling fine. Just that, oh.
Isaac, can you listen to yourself?
Yes.
So you are praying for me to be sick?
I'm not saying...
Abi?
I'm not saying you should be sick.
And you have the right to collect money from my boyfriend without my consent.
I collected money. He sent the money.
That is stealing!
I was even telling him to send the money to your account. Oh. He said no. That he doesn't... He trusts me more. He trusts me.
Isaac, you are a liar. You are a big liar. And you know, now transfer the money back to my account. You heard me. Transfer the money back to my account now.
I should carry my phone, log into my mobile app, go there and transfer my money to you.
Not your money, my boyfriend's money. In fact, my money.
But the money is in my account.
Isaac, don't get me pissed off. Right? Sure you know as they be now.
I know.
Now I no give you the other side because you no go like yourself. Now transfer the money to my account.
If I return that money, they will beat me in our family meeting that I am stupid.
They will beat you.
It's not refundable.
I will make sure he involves the police in this. You'll be arrested. Transfer the money back to my account.
Wait now. Just no matter you want to call the police.
Why would I call the police? No, you are behaving like a criminal.
Ordinary family matter, family talk. That we can just resolve within the family. You want to involve police. Police will now arrest your boyfriend now. And they will now be sentencing him to jail.
Why would they arrest my boyfriend?
Because
are you not a stealer?
I did not steal. I borrowed from your own absence.
You did not borrow. Why did you lie to him that I'm sick?
I borrowed it in your own absence. Did I say I will not return the money?
So has it been you didn't call me on time? That is how you would have eaten the money and you claim I was sick.
I was not going to spend it. We should be very clear here. I was not going to spend that money.
Isaac, send the money to my account and now.
Okay. Send me your account details on WhatsApp.
Better. Criminal. But wait this one blocked me. Thanks for watching. watching that wonderful video from Laugh Loud Comedy, please click on the subscribe button. It's very, very free. It's free. Please subscribe to our channel. Please.
And turn on your post notification. Tell them.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yes, so please, so we love you. So you see amazing things from us. Amazing things. Please subscribe. We love you.
Leave that one. Subscribe.